In this video, we're going to show you how to remove your cap driver and install the tubular arm bracket so that you can sew with hoops on your Meistergram PR-1500. We'll start by removing the two top thumb screws. Center thumb screw. Finally, we'll loosen the lower two thumb screws. You do not need to remove the two lower thumb screws. You will now raise the top bar and slide the cap driver out. Don't forget to remove your needle plate insert for hats. This is the tubular arm bracket set for your tubular hoops. The left bracket is adjustable to accommodate the different sizes of hoops that come included with the machine. Take the bracket and insert it into the machine. Align the holes for the pins and the screws. Using the same thumb screws for the top of the cap driver, fasten the screws to lock the arms in place. Your machine is now ready to sew with your tubular hoops. Now that you've installed the tubular arm brackets on your machine, you can proceed to embroidering with the tubular hoops.